sweet little kitty. In honor of playing this new game, Stray. Does it smell like up, dog? What is up, cat? Discord. Okay. I'm gonna play now. Ooh. Oh. Ah. It's so cute already. Oh my god! It's just playing with their tail. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, look at that. They love each other so much. Aww. I'm such a little cute little cat. Meow. Am I going to sleep with the... Oh! Look at her, so cute. Oh! Oh my god. Ah! I'm gonna cry. Look at this. This is adorable. If I go down, it's just because I have died of cuteness. Inside the wall. What wall are we inside of? Meow. I will not stop meowing. You can't make me. Oh, the purring. Ooh. What's up here? Oh, nothing. Okay. We're running. We're going. Ah! Look at us. We're really cute. We're really cute. I like our cat design. Oh! Meow. Meow. So a lot of these are supposed to be puzzles, which I'm actually excited about. No. No, 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 no. No! No! My family! Oh, shit! No! This is so sad.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No, we're hurt. I can't reset. Ow, thank you for feeding me. They're still huge, but I wanted them big because I need those big snacks. Hello? What the hell are those things? I just like big ol' snacks, okay? Okay, we're okay. I like big snacks and I cannot lie, okay? Hi. Hey, no gate can help can escape. Can I can. All right. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck. I just trying to stay there. Hello. Oh, where? Holy shit! I can jump so high. Hello. There's a cat outside your house. Please let me in. I'm knocking over all this shit. I'm the cat now. I can knock over anything I want. Help. Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. All right. I don't want to touch this. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it. Follow me. Oh, I have a... Oh my god. I thought this game couldn't get any cuter. Oh my god. Look at him, Curie. Look at... Oh my god. Oh, hell yeah. I'm a smarty pants. Look at that. Let's go. Oh, why would they put traps down? There we go. Ooh. Oh, wait, was I supposed to do that? All right, cool. I don't feel bad about knocking stuff over. Even a little bit. Follow me. I'm kind of getting the feeling that, Wait. Oh my god, am I scratching the carpet? I'm scratching the carpet, guys. Oh, I have to go fast, I see. I made a mess of things, and I'm okay with that. Is this a Roomba? Oh no, it's water. I thought that was a Roomba. Look it, I'm taking care of myself, guys. I'm drinking water. I always drink water. Am I gonna ride in a bucket? I'm riding in a bucket. Oh, what are you? Oh, God, those things scared me. Hello? Oh, God, why? We're having a good time being a little kitty cat. And I fell down and got hurt. I was very sad. And then this guy just died in front of me. It kind of makes this thing a huge fat bummer. I want to find my family. Let me find my family. I don't like this. I don't like this. Oh, oh, Jesus. Okay. I hate this. Oh, I hate this. Where am I going? Oh, God. Oh, can I, okay. Can I jump? Oh, God. A serpentine, 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 serpentine. They can't hit you if you serpentine. Holy shit. Oh my god. This poor cat. You just gotta not go in a straight line. They can't catch you if you don't go in a straight line. We did it. I did it. I did it. Follow me. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. That helps me. I'm glad it's telling me what the spots are where I can jump because, dear God, I don't think I'll be able to play this without knowing that. Let's go. Oh, don't fall again. Please don't fall again. Oh! Ooh! Ah! We're figuring it out! Okay. This game is officially one of the best games. Let's see. This way. Imagine having more than one brain cell. Nope, I can't. I can't actually ever imagine that. I'm always so lost in the sauce, you know what I mean? No, not again! Okay, okay, okay. We're okay? You okay? You alright, buddy? Such a good cat. Such a good cat. Push that bitch down. Yeah! Wait, yeah, where did it say? Oh, okay. Thank God that there's a way to figure this out. I didn't do that. Whatever that was not me. Need help. Oh. Can you step on the enter key? There we go. Alright, these days are good. Okay. No fucking way. That's how you're supposed to do this? I love this game. This game is fucking great. I'm messing up so many things. I'm so happy right now. I am the cat. I am the menace. Oh! I don't think that was supposed to happen. Oh. Oh, I can get up here? Let's go. Oh. Oh. Okay, there's one. Binary code. Oh. Sorry. I'm just making my way, okay? I'm making my way downtown. Walking fast, faces past, I'm home. Oh, what? There we go. Now, where's the last one? Did it's literally right here. Okay, we're fine. We did it! Now I type on the keyboard. Oh. Hello? What's happening? Oh. I just jumped on that poor robot's head. It goes on this guy, right? No? Okay, hold on. Now I'm confused. What do I have in my mouth? What is that? Oh, I'm such a smart cat. What is this little doohickey? Is this our little buddy? Do we get a little buddy here? Oh, look at our little buddy. Yes! What? What? It worked. I'm free. Thank you. Oh. A key on the door. Remember that much. Got it. Okay, there's a key that we need to get. Let me get that for you. Oh, hell yeah! B12's here to fucking help. Oh, shit. This thing... yeah! No way! He fell over! The cat fell over because this... I can't wear this. That's me. That's me. You're trying to walk! I can't... This is exactly what happens if you put a cat in harness! He said, fuck this. Oh my god. Press up for inventory? Oh wait, I have an inventory now? Oh, okay. Oh, this is so good. There's a light now? Let's go. Oh, this is gonna be really confusing actually. Cause like, he controls the light kind of, but you're like using the cat's perspective. A menace to society. 3748. Got it. Okay. 3. Hello? Oh, okay. 749. Wait, is that wrong? 37. Oh, 48. I read it wrong. Don't look at me. 3748. We did it, guys. We did it. I didn't read that wrong at all, okay? I didn't read it wrong at all. Taking a zip line. Oh my god, I love this game. Now what? Oh. Cutscene. You remember outside? I don't. Oh, postcard, the mural painted from it. Let's take it. Wait, we're taking. Oh wait, we're taking the whole. I thought we're taking the whole fucking wall. B12, I got you. I got you, B12. We'll get your memories back. Oh shit, no! I want to go back. I want to go back. I wanted that translated. Ew.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ah! I didn't know I didn't know it could still get me. I didn't know I didn't know it still could get me. Up from up there. Safe zone. Yeah, super safe. Oh, there we go. God. Hey. Hi. Oh shit. Oh, we're fucked. We're fucked. Hey, buddy. Oh, you asshole. Oh, hi, sir. Please, I just want to love. Let me love you. They won't let me love them. I'm very upset. Let me pet, or pet me. Give me some head pets. They seem to have their own language. Oh, okay. Come here, kitty. Oh, you're Zerk. We're not familiar with your kind? Hello? Who's my kind? Me being a little kitty cat? You are welcome in our village as long as you don't eat anyone. Why would I eat anyone?